The Acesonic AM-898 combines a very powerful amplifier with very useful mixer functions, pushing the envelope for what is expected from a mixing amplifier. Designed for serious users, this mixing amp dishes out 600 watts of solid power to drive some of the best speakers available, while having plenty of features to make sure the audio coming through is clean, crisp, and rich. The AM-898 is a CPU-based mixing amplifier, unlike the traditional analog kind. Being CPU-based allows the AM-898 to develop more unique music and microphone sound effects, such as personal microphone setup and the ability to preamp for high-end quality mixers. Being CPU-based also has the added benefit of having less interference because most signals are processed digitally, avoiding the interference that may be caused by nearby analog circuits. Yet another advantage is the AM-898 is less prone to burning up its circuits just by going digital and utilizing a CPU. The AM-898 serves up 300 watts of power at 8 ohms to 2 speakers, combining for a total of 600 watts. There will be no shortage of power to fill up just about any bar, club, or restaurant with your music. There are also 4 selectable audio and video source inputs and 2 AV outputs allowing multiple connections to your different karaoke players and enough outputs to send to dual screens. There are 3 microphone inputs on the front panel and 2 microphone inputs on the rear, giving you plenty of room for many singers. An 11-step digital key changer is built in to give your singers that extra adjustment to help match their voice to the music. You can already see the Acesonic AM-898 comes with some serious features just as the essentials. Once your microphones and audio sources are connected, you can adjust each with dedicated equalizers. A 3-band EQ for music and a 5-band EQ for microphones are available so both your singers and music are not locked into the same EQ. This gives you total control. You no longer have to compromise audio quality between one and the other by having your singers and music go through the same equalizer. A powerful digital effects processor is built in to increase the quality of your performance by controlling reverb and echo. Reverb is especially noticeable when you can hear echoes build up and slowly decay even though the singer has already stopped. The AM-898 can adjust reverb time, reverb level, echo repeat, and echo delay to optimize your performance, avoiding any unwanted noises. One of the best features to make sure performances sound their finest is the high-tech feedback eliminator. This real-time feedback eliminator automatically filters out unwanted noise and prevents them from coming through your speaker system when it's enabled. It's easy to use and offers the additional benefit of extending your speaker's life. You'll easily eliminate feedback that can ruin your singer's performance with this feature. The AM-898 comes equipped with a music volume auto leveling feature that will automatically change each track's level to one of 6 preset volumes you choose. It's an easy way to protect your singers and avoid appearing to have a low quality system. Next, the AM-898 has impressive subwoofer signal controls. We all love how rich, deep bass can add to your overall sound quality, but too much can ruin a performance. With the AM-898, you'll be able to adjust subwoofer volume and adjust the low-pass filter. Adjusting the subwoofer LPF will enable you to select how much low-frequency audio signals can go through within a range of 40 to 150 Hz. Finally, a subwoofer volume reducer lowers bass on the fly when you're singing and brings it back up between verses. This dynamic feature comes in handy when a singer has low vocal range, making their voice come through clearer as the bass is reduced. One of the AM-898's best features is the vocal elimination function. You can turn any CD into a karaoke track or practice with the vocals regularly and eliminate them when you perform. This is done through a processor that utilizes one of the most powerful vocal elimination algorithms to remove up to 90% of the vocals from any regular audio CD. Being built upon a CPU base allows even more unique features. Once you've dialed in your best settings, you can save them to any available preset memory recall buttons. This is really handy when you move from venue to venue between gigs, so it'll only take the push of a button to bring back your optimal settings for each environment. Save your settings and your investment. Aside from controlling the AM-898 through either the front panel or from your favorite seat across the room with a remote, you have the option to control it using your PC. This is done by connecting the amp and your computer through an RS-232 serial cable and using software or serial commands. This is perfect for PC karaoke systems since you'll be able to control mostly everything from one device. So the next time you're checking out mixing amplifiers, be sure to take a look at Acesonic's AM-898, one of the world's most powerful digital karaoke mixing amplifiers on the market. See it at www.acesonic.com.